Good day, everyone. This is Roman Zulbata, and I am the presenter of this topic. So, first, what is UDL? UDL means Universal Design Learning. So, what is the definition of UDL? UDL guidelines that are based on three main principles that align with these learning networks. The three UDL principles are engagement, representation, action, and expression. So, what are the core principles of UDL? We have multiple means of representation, the how of learning. The teacher selects from the discipline the information to be taught, studied, and learned. So the how of learning is the way on how the teacher or the professor will present his or her lesson to his or her students. Just like, for example, the teacher will present the lesson through video presentation or auditory, and then after discussing, the teacher will provide examples so that the students will have more ideas about that topic. So let's proceed to multiple means of action and expression. The what of learning. Teacher can use strategies that allows the students or the learner to practice tasks with different levels of support and to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in a diversity of ways. So, when we say the what of learning, the teacher should be more knowledgeable of what strategies she is going or he is going to use. For example, the teacher will allow the students to use technology in classroom just like any mobile devices to incorporate educational programs. Also, the teacher can use the strategy cooperative learning so that the students or the learners will be able to express their ideas, thoughts, and so that the students or the learners can respond to other or to they can interact with each other inside the classroom. So let's proceed on the next topic. Multiple means of engagement, the why of learning. To address varied capabilities and needs, multiple and flexible options for engagement in the learning process are used to support effective learning. So, the why in learning, it means why the teacher gives so much strategies in learning. Simply because the more they will give strategies, the more the students will engage on learning process that are used to support effective learning. So, media literacy education. Media literacy education is intended to promote awareness of media influence and create an active stance towards both consuming and creating media. Why media literacy is important to students? First and foremost, media literacy helps students to become more wiser consumer of media as well as responsible producers of their own idea. Social media kasi plays an important role in students' life because it is often easier for them to access information just like for example sa tuwang status karon during pandemic, di ba? Mas dali sa tuwa nga maka-access or makakuha og ideas and information gamit ang Google or gamit ato ang social media accounts kung naatay mga activities online. So next, let's move on to digital and media literacy essential competencies and accessibility. The context of digital and media literacy essential competencies offers a way to consider issues that impact equity of access and accessibility. Digital and media literacy includes the ability to access, analyze, compose, reflect, and take action in the world. It enables the students to bring their at-home media and technology experience in the classroom. Not only are such practices engaging and motivating to young learners or young students, but such connections are also at the heart of what real learning is all about. First, we have access. What is access? It is finding and using media and technology tools skillfully and sharing appropriate and relevant information with others. So meaning in access, listening, we have listening skills, reading comprehension, gathering information using multiple sources. So next, we have analyze and evaluate. It means comprehending messages and using critical thinking to analyze messages' quality, veracity, credibility, and point of view while considering potential effects of consequences of messages. So here in analyze and evaluate, we recognize evidence of equality and credibility in different types of messages. So in create, to compose or generate content using creativity and confidence in self-expression with awareness of purpose, audience, and compose of techniques. So next we have reflect. Reflect means applying social responsibility and ethical principles to one's own identity and lived experience, communication, behavior, and conduct. So in reflect, it means recognizing and valuing relationships and engaging in socially appropriate behavior. So the last one, we have act. What is act? Working individually and collaboratively to share knowledge and solve problems in the family, workplace, and community, and participating as a member of community at local, regional, national, and international levels. So act is sharing ideas and expressing thoughts with others or towards others, collaborating on solving a meaningful real-world problem. So that's all, and I hope you learned something about my topic, which is UDL or Universal Design Learning. Thank you.